In this video, I want to show you how you can change your Antigravity marketplace to Visual Studio Code marketplace. This is useful because some of the extensions which you would have in Visual Studio Code, you might not have in Antigravity. By default, Antigravity uses Open VSX marketplace, and if you want to switch it to Microsoft Marketplace, which is used by VS Code, we have to simply click on the extensions and here click on Antigravity settings, and this will open this settings editor. And you want to paste official Microsoft Marketplace item URL and gallery URL over here, and this is going to change this extensions marketplace. I prepared those URLs in my notes. So the first one is marketplace item URL. So this is the first one. I'm going to leave them in the description so you can copy them. This is the second one. And now once you paste those URLs, you want to close this and you want to close the antigravity and you want to restart it. And after you restart it, you can go back to extensions and you can simply search for your extensions which you did not saw in antigravity. So if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.